Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Contacts to iPhone in minutes step-by-step. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Contacts. Tap Accounts to see all accounts connected to your iPhone. Tap Add Account if your Google account is not listed. Select Google from the account options. Enter your Gmail email address and tap Next. Enter your Google password and tap Next. If you use two-step verification, complete the verification prompt. On the Google Permissions screen, tap Allow to continue. After the account is added, you will see toggles for Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Turn on the Contacts toggle for your Google account. Tap Save if you are prompted to confirm. Go back one screen and make sure your Google account now appears under Accounts. Tap your Google account to open its sync settings. Confirm that Contacts is enabled and left switched on. Now open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Wait a moment for the first sync to complete, especially if you have many contacts. Pull down on the contact list to refresh if new contacts do not appear immediately. If you still do not see them, close the Contacts app and reopen it. Check your internet connection and ensure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. If you use multiple Google accounts, repeat the same steps for each account you want to sync. To make Google your default for new contacts, open Settings and go to Contacts again. Tap Default Account. Select your Google account so new contacts save to Google automatically. If you want to verify, create a test contact on the iPhone and save it. Then check contacts.google.com on a computer or in a mobile browser to confirm it appears. If syncing seems stuck, return to Accounts, tap the Google account, and toggle Contacts off and on again. If needed, restart your iPhone and open Contacts once more to trigger a fresh sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.